You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour. How do you say good morning in French? Now you have to note that this is more of the Quebec way of saying good morning, so that's virtually only used in French-speaking Canada. In France, you don't say good morning that way. You'd say bonjour. But anyhow, how do you say this phrase? Bon matin, literally meaning good morning. Bon is French for good. Matin, morning. Bon matin. Bon matin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.